those fuckers into the stratosphere!
Happy Thursday, everybody. It is December 12th. Just a little quick check-in today. Got a little snowed in today. We had a little bit of a abrupt snowfall. So I decided not to get my truck out on the road. I'm not worried about myself driving, but others on the road, yeah. It's not worth it on certain days to get my truck out and take the chance of getting my truck crashed into. So I am kicking back. I'm ready for Christmas anyway. And yeah, sorry about the lighting. It's kind of like it was yesterday. We'll make do with what we got here. Got the Christmas tree back there. Got my stockings hung. Of course, I did that. You know, we did that right after Thanksgiving. But what I wanted to talk about today is the giveaway for the refrigerant leak detector. And I didn't just give that away. I also gave away a 6-pack of a really awesome local IPA we have here in Central Oregon. So, you know, I was drinking one when we were doing the giveaway, and I'm like, well, shoot, these guys, I was showing it to them, and I'm like, well, let's give a 6-pack away. I might even do 12. I haven't bought them yet. But that'll be fun, and I look forward to getting those shipped off. Most likely tomorrow, guys, if you're watching, I'll get those shipped off to you. I got the post office literally like a mile away from me, so I can go get those sent off to you tomorrow, most likely. So look forward to that. Congratulations to Kevin for winning that refrigerant leak detector. It's a really nice one. I think it's about a $300 tool. And then, hey, congratulations to the other gentleman for talking me into giving him a 6-pack of that beer. So, hey, that's what this is about. It's about having fun, giving stuff away, enjoying life, and, you know, HVAC is, I mean, it's primary, but it's also kind of secondary. This is more about talking about life and enjoying each other's company and just making the best of, you know, the cards we're dealt in life, and try to smile every day if we can. So I'll get off my soapbox there. So what we got coming up is I'm probably going to start I'll probably start the new giveaway. And this time, so I only got up to about 16 entries this time, so it really good odds for the people that got their names drawn. What I really want to do is I want to have at least 50 entries. 100 would be even better. But the next one we do is most likely going to be for that wireless scale, the NAVAC wireless scale that I have. And I'll show it to you on my next live stream on Saturday. We're not going to probably start that one that soon, but maybe Wednesday, a week from yesterday, or maybe the following Saturday, we'll start the new giveaway. So I look forward to doing that. But like I said, I want 50 entries, and I'm going to be real stern about it this time. And to all the trolls out there that say that I'm doing it to get subscribers, I only gained a few subscribers doing this, and I actually had a couple people leave once they didn't win. So if that's the way people want to be, then that's how they can be. I don't care. You know, somebody that actually cares about HVAC and you know, is kind of sticking it out with me won the tool. So I'm happy about that. So anyway, early Merry Christmas to everybody. I look forward to all the live streams that we're going to do upcoming. Check out my daily videos. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Always hit that like button for me, and let's get this channel growing. I'm really close to 1,000 subscribers. I'd love to hit that real soon, and then, you know, quicker to 2,000, and move on from there. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. And early Merry Christmas to you if I hadn't said it already. And I'll see you on the next one.
How dare you? You have stolen my dreams and my childhood with your empty words.